it stresses them.
Okay. Mbaroro konyara ngaba gutaka kwirusia bomoyo maybe batoliwa konyorole maybe omuntu achite gwisunge gusaka chikonyelio bakamenya kigonya gitari metingali chikonie betali kubikwa nga kwirusia bomoyo is a crime ekero survive lyo kwa attempt gukora suicide ine crime semete singi ya serikali usigwororo maybe abantu abaiga babire bago survive bobonete ko menyaso buguma bwabo erinde gutambira ngere bunebyo
abantu aba one manyanga they are sick psychologically or mentally. They need by kwange bakwanerwe basemiwe nande babonete ko tuguboka. They need to be having a close monitoring. Without a close monitoring, they need to be looked at. Say obuange. Why abantu bako encourage about life? Because we kera gutaka guita, you don't see the reason as to why you should have life. You don't see anything that makes you to smile about this life. That means we kerota gete guita torochi no enayo monyene go senobwate value. Abantu ampata kire they are and how important abantu ababale to the society. If you build somebody and that is why Baswati no minute biega avera toke yourself estimu gere karo minute na riogo feel what you are okay na bigo toka una inche na inche ngingerete biega ekero ngingerete na inche himbwate my self esteem muntu nare kerabe gite yanga gite na riagu feeling anera na kiare is okay psychologically no muntu nare kerari bono umuntu yo mo make ache guikira to a point ya gutware gintu tukuroka nga ayanjite inchirari natakira nyore abantu bakomokonya wikerekere ngiki nere igwe ko bumuntu ubweneta komenya ubugima na semigwe ngigekogera ubugima butatakiri kurusi wo
okay
ebona
ekero kurigelia mostly abantu abaiga bago survive maybe mbari gocha banyora stigma sebinyoro
mbari konyora stigma sekinyoro umuntu uyu ataikiria ngase miwe ekenyoro taringa ne kenyoro ke como victimize but senses tia ebone chiko mutaiga gutana benga kero umuntu akwereirwe kerago soka gocha para gutara akora kiro umuntu amuroche buna akwereiro mwanji oye gose buna akwereiro mwanji wari oye equally noyo nere singinjo nabete saved nere na bago feeling nere na ba abwate that problem ebono
okay asa abantu bari batwarire ibirengerero byo kwerusya bomoyo ekero bachire asore temetinga cyoko bateke session ye through rire kweneke ngama tukabusi mbali go cyotwara ibirengerero bunebyo
umuntu bunoyo one you need now to understand them igente gitanga niyo bamanye umuikange after kwa muikirange bono igoko mo make erebwe ko monyene to discover nkiye ko garabwa to muchando kabe you know again to kere to kurukanga litanga korere ama ura understand litanga ni to a point yatagete kurusyo buguma after kuwa manyire boigo omanya ko muire to a point yoko mumekia ba aware indamanyenga inkigeko gerobo gumobota takiri kurusi wororo you realizing gocha virengarire bya MBL bya